morning, YouTube family. So I was supposed to post a YouTube video, but I never really got into it. But we're gonna try it today. So before we even get into the video, make sure you guys like, comment, and share this video, and comment on this video a pink heart to let me know you actually watching the video. So what I'm doing today is I'm basically taking you guys on a day in the life. I'm gonna brush my teeth, wash my face, then I'm gonna cook me some breakfast. I just let my dog out because she was like whining and stuff, and then I definitely need to clean my room up, and then whenever we get done with that, we're just gonna see what else they take us. So let's get right into the video.
Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, oh you speak French now.
Please don't be so ashamed. I've had mine, you've had yours, we both know. We know they won't get you like I will. My only wish is I die real, cause that truth hurts and those. And I still tears all in a pillowcase. Big girls all get a little taste out, pushing me away so I give her space out. Dealing with a heart that I didn't break. I'll be there for you, I will care for you. I keep thinking you just don't know. Trying to run from that, say you're done with that. On your face, girl, it just don't show. When you're ready, just say you're ready. When all the baggage just ain't as heavy and the party's over, just don't forget me. We'll change the pace and we'll just go slow. You won't ever have to worry. You won't ever have to hide. And you've seen all my mistakes, so look me in my eyes.
Cause if you let me, here's what I'll do. I'll take care of you. I've loved and I've lost.
Yeah. It's my birthday, I get if I want to. Can't deny that I want you, but I lie if I have to. Cause you don't say you love me to your friends when they ask you.
Even so, you may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know. There are times when
So guys, I just got done with that. Now I'm gonna moisturize my face, but I wanted to show y'all these things I got from well, I had them on my graduation with college registry, and I had got them, and I started using them. They like some face towels that you can throw away, but I think they started breaking me out, like putting bumps on my face and stuff. So I stopped. So I probably gotta find another brand, but I feel like these are way better to use than like face towels. Yeah. So what I moisturize my face with is this. I do got a whole thing of face wash down there of these, but I don't use it a lot because it needs to dry my face out. So yeah. Next, I use this Sky Organics Vitamin E 30,000 IU Ultra Antioxidant Blend to soothe dry, compromised skin. Not that much though. Maybe like chicken. Miss me, kiss me, love me. Hey, please. gonna go make breakfast. Get into the skin. Hold on, cover the edges. And what about it?
Basically, act like she don't want them and she don't like them, so it's all like you prank on her, whatever.
So y'all, got in the kitchen. I'm gonna show y'all how to cook. Grits and eggs. So I'm just gonna make my bagels with strawberry cream cheese. I'm showing you what I tried the other day. We got this from TJ Maxx, the Dubai chocolate. I would give it a 5 out of 10. I mean, I don't see nothing special about it, but I mean, I would still eat it. Yeah, this what happens when you try to multitask. We're gonna try again. So while that's re-cooking, I'm gonna fix my grits. And I like to put cheese in my grits. Bro, I don't think I want that much. Why would you do this? Okay. Kobe and monetary jack cheese slice. I'm in it. This look good, okay? Alright. Now, we're gonna cover that back up. The grits back up. We're gonna put some cream cheese on it. Look at that. So y'all now eat. Well, I'm finna eat. Let me take my vitamin. I don't feel like getting it. My stomach hurting already. I'm gonna get back with y'all when I'm done eating. I ate some more. So y'all, right now I'm about to clean my room up because it looked like a tornado up in here. But it's really not that bad.
Give me a run for my money. There was nobody, no one that would run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely. Living lovely. She's lovely. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I I wanna be with you. Hey, I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. Me, just love me. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. I got something. Hold up, we gon' function. No assumption. Feeling like Tyson with it. Got out Tyson with it. Only for the night, I'm kidding. Only for life, yeah. Only for life, yeah. Only for life.
So I just put the clothes in the washing machine. I mean the sheets, and I put the stuff in there, but now it's washing out. You guys can learn how the last side to put in here. This right here, girl. I'm pour a little bit. Now I'm back in my room, y'all. I'm finna put all these shoes in my floor. It's like when I come home, I just throw my shoes anywhere. But now I'm finna put them back in their right place. And I need to like wash my shoes, like clean them. But yeah, let's put these in the closet. Okay, y'all. I just put my shoes in the closet. Now I'm finna put these sandals under my bed in a little organizer. Get from over there. Now I'm gonna fold all these clothes in.
What you feel, it's hard for me to understand. So many things have taken place before this love affair began. What if you feel more like I feel? Confusion can't get wasted down.
So I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get done folding these up. She done got too quiet. Hold on. This taking too long. Let's do a little snap and then it's all gonna be clean. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Now I'm finna sweep. And then when I get done sweeping, I'm gonna go hop in the shower. Then I gotta give my dog some food from the dollar store. So, leg out.
Please don't be so ashamed. I've had mine, you've had yours, we both know. We know they won't get you like I will. My only wish is I die real, cause that truth hurts and those lies heal. And you can't sleep thinking that he lies still, so you cry still. Tears all in a pillowcase. Big girls all get a little taste out, pushing me away so I give her space out. Dealing with a heart that I didn't break. I'll be there for you, I will care for you. I keep thinking you just don't know. Trying to run from that, say you're done with that. On your face, girl, it just don't show. When you're ready, just say you're ready. When all the baggage just ain't as heavy and the party's over, just don't forget me. We'll change the pace and we'll just go slow. You won't ever have to worry. You won't ever have to hide. And you've seen all my mistakes, so look me in my eyes.
'Cause if you let me, here's what I'll do.
Stop it. Get some help.
I'll take care of you. I've loved and I've lost.
It's my birthday, I get if I want to. Can't deny that I want you, but I lie if I have to. Cause you don't say you love me to your friends when they ask you. Even
So now y'all gonna go take a bath, and I'm gonna get back with y'all. I'm gonna get back with you guys when I get out. I just got out the tub. Now I'm gonna put some lotion on, some perfume, and get my keys in my wallet, and we finna go to the dollar store. I'm gonna put this on me right here on my head because that's why I don't have no edge control on right now, because my edge will be breaking out from the edge control. So let's put this on.
If you pause on all the action, quit the stress and need no caption, give your Instagram vacation. Yeah, work on your patience. Yeah, but you ain't basing. Yeah, yeah. 'Cause I love some music, but I just ain't do it. So I took a little break on the west side. Now I'm waking up late on my best side, and it
So y'all, the dollar store was closed. Now I gotta go way across town. Well, I'll see you guys when I get everything in.